here we are at the top or second floor landing, and the flat bay window roof, where we found that this is actually a felt which is completely deteriorated, and that will have to be renewed for a green mineral felt. We've also removed the old rotten fascia boards, and new fascia boards have now been put on. Not finished, just primed up, and there's still a bit to do at the end here, and then hopefully we'll start working on these parapets within the next week or so. So here we are at roof level again, and this is just the other side of the bay window, the straight section, where we've removed the old guttering, the old fascia board. New has been put in, ready to take another 2 coats of paint. And what we've done here just above is the old felt deteriorated, and it was now short of the tile, so any water that came through over the gutter and was blown back by wind would just travel back into the roof space. So we've added a new bit of felt, so that will then